Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya menta kasingi kashitarai ujemmang arajara apulai kalailum lang biginong thok khubor bani kren halor kaski man ki baat kaplawan ra do menteri rang ba do kari Narendra Modi hagani kasingi president kaseng ba Ernest Mauri ba ajing kran chikila pathai khubor ulo ang ba kaseng kala panlong ka program po kajila kasien kabaningkong henen kasingi Uba Ernest ulai thu ba menteri rang ba do kari Narendra Modi lakran halor kiski bapher bad un kampane jingmod ikibri gi baduna yaga yo ka kon kate gi jingkran jo menteri rang ba do kari lapani iling ba ka live telecast haga balapan kalaru shaktian khasi
And we have organized in a big way, in a fast time in our state. Even the well-wisher, the Karyakata also, most of them they participate in this Man Ki Baat program. We just been broadcast yesterday. In the Northeast state, like Nagaland, Mizoram and Meghalaya, from Delhi head office, they have given us the time to go with the Man Ki Baat right after 3 p.m. But it is not a live telecast. So some of the program has been taken place in the live telecast at 11 in the morning and some in the noon, 3 p.m. And I think most of you have witnessed the speech of the Honorable Prime Minister. He talked about the development, different scheme, and he has focused more to the poor people, staying in the whole part of the country. Even from Arunachal Pradesh, you have witnessed yesterday, and some place in the remote area of the part of the country, he encouraged them to do so many activities. So this is the great thing from the Man Ki Baat, and it has been translated in the Khasi language also, where a lot of people call us back and they have listened the Man Ki Baat. And this is the first time where they have broadcast even abroad also. And in 11 language, foreign language also, they have broadcast about this Man Ki Baat. I think last Man Ki Baat in the 99th episode, there is a live telecast in the constituency of Himalayan Champliang in Mawsynram. So I request him to brief a little bit about the program before this 100th episode.
Is the connect between the Honorable Prime Minister and the people of the country. It is a medium by which the Honorable Prime Minister meets the downtrodden, meets the people of the country, and also encourages entrepreneurs. Like we have seen yesterday, there was a lady from Manipur who weaves the lotus thread, weaves clothes out of the lotus thread. Likewise, we have in our state, in the village called Sinteng, where women folk, they make baskets, they make handicrafts out of bamboo and cane. This was not known to the world. The Honorable Prime Minister, in his 99th episode, had a very serious interaction with the people of Sinteng village. We had organized the live telecast, and the people of the Sinteng village of Mawsynram were so delighted, they were so happy to see their own Prime Minister face to face on the screen. After the Man Ki Baat with the Honorable Prime Minister, I must tell you that there was so much response from the outside world into the Sinteng village. They wanted to buy the products. Now the people of Sinteng are going online and they're selling their handicrafts all over the country, and they're getting orders from all 5-star hotels for those baskets to be kept fruit baskets or the bread baskets to be kept in 5-star hotels. So I must say that the Mann Ki Baat has become like a medium of exposure of the rural India to the outside world. And I thank the Honorable Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji, for initiating this program of Mann Ki Baat, of highlighting the country to the outside world. Yesterday's 100th episode was indeed a success that the whole country witnessed it. Along with the country, many parts of the world also witnessed the Mann Ki Baat.